I will always remember you, the birthplace of weather, the country of wars. Wherever I wander, wherever I rove, the land of my Talas, forever I love. Farewell, my beloved Talas. Farewell, my beloved Manas.
The Khan raised Semetey and doesn't tell him anything about his origins. When Semetey was 12 years old, Bahadur Sardas sent for him.
Hey, Semete, why are you wandering in a foreign land? Don't you know that your homeland is Talas? Your father is the great Manas, and your mother is Adike. Over the mountains of the moon, down the valley of the shadow. Right, boldly right, if you seek for Talas.
Semetey having heard the word of Sardas, well, Semetey decided to go to Talas. Having reached his native Talas, he was surprised at the beauty of his native lands and admired them.
Mountains and the giants, measureless steppes, woods and copses, jungles, and the dim streams, were gentle lowlands. These are all my Talas. The country like the tree that is growing in the steppe. The sky stars flake on it. It's blowing and it shines. This is my paradise country and the land of my ancestors. Old Kumail meets me, howling joyfully. He knows who is here. He knows, old Kumail, that I am the heir of Manas. He felt that I would come and take the place of my father.
Semetey first of all goes to visit the goddess of Manas. Semetey wants to bow to the memory of his father.